Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will speak about lightning. You have seen various kinds of lightning in the sky. Also you would have heard of many deaths that is caused due to lightning. Many places are getting burnt due to lightning. So the story of lightning begins with Benjamin Franklin, who discovered the lightning. There was a kite experiment. So Benjamin Franklin, he made a kite with an iron point, and instead of paper he used silk handkerchief to make the kite. There were two cross stakes rope which was tied to a key. So in his experiment there was a leaden jar to check the charge. So when a lightning had crossed the kite, so he saw there was a change in the leaden jar, and the key, when he saw the key did not conduct electricity, nothing happened to the key. But when he tried to touch the key, he got a shock. So it showed that how the electricity can be charged. Thus he understood the relation between electricity and lightning. So the story of the lightning, as I said during the development of thunderstorm, the air currents will move upwards while the water droplets will move downwards. Now this vigorous movement will have a charge that is being formed. Okay, so when the magnitude of charge is very high, it will start conducting to the earth. That is known as electric discharge. During this electric discharge, what will happen? The negative and the positive charges will meet, and there will be a streak of light, which is lightning, and the sound is thunderstorm. So in the cloud, basically you will have the positive charges upwards and negative charges downwards. To understand this better, we have this electroscope, which has got a metal disc or copper wire and aluminium foil. Now, as it is a metal disc, it will conduct electricity. You bring a negative charge close to it, the metal disc will have positive, which will shift the leaves separate to each other, having negative charges in the leaf. So the leaves are carrying the negative charges, so they will move apart. Again, when you bring this positively charged body close to the negatively charged, so the metal disc will have negative charge. It will again move down, and the leaves will become positively charged and will move apart. So this is how electric discharge takes place. The same thing happens in the cloud. Now during lightning, there are few precautions, that you need to maintain, because why? To avoid various accidents those are happening. So when is the basic fear? Basic fear is when we are at the outdoors. Mainly during lightning, the fear is when we are outdoors. So keep in mind, when you are outdoors, don't lie flat on the ground. This will increase the risk of getting harmed due to lightning. Second, do not take shelter under a tree, as they are conductors of electricity. Do not take shower or take bath under running water. So these are few precautions. Again, if the boating or swimming is going on, take a shelter at the shore. So by now we have understood what is lightning, and we understood who discovered lightning. Now coming to what you see here is lightning conductor. So a lightning conductor has got spikes, and which is grounded downwards. So whenever there is an electric discharge, it will collect all the positive charges and will ground it, so that the building is not affected due to lightning. So the lightning conductor is a metal rod which is connected to the metal disc at the ground. That is why it is conducting all the charges. Next, coming to the revision part of it, when we studied lightning, how does it occur, what forms this lightning, the negative and the positive charges, where the positive charges come to the surface. We also saw the lightning conductors, which is a metal rod which will conduct all the charges. So here we have said the positive charges in the clouds and negative charges in the clouds, how they conduct into the ground. We also learned about the electroscope, where we can compare between the charges, whether we can also find whether the body is charged or not, and we can also find what kind of charge does it have, positive or negative. So this is what we have studied here. Thank you.